I lost everything tomorrow. My business, my money, even this YouTube channel. These are the 5 skills I bet my life on to make money in the next 30 days. Not get rich, not make millions, just survive and rebuild. And here is what nobody tells you. 4 of these skills can make you money, but only one of them made me $47,000 in my first 90 days. I tell you which one at the head, but if you pick wrong, you waste more spinning your wheels. Let's get into it. Quick note, this video is just me sharing my experience, not financial advice. Your result will depend on your skills, effort, and market, and you might make less, more, or nothing at all. Look, I'm not going to promise you $10,000 in your first week. I'm not going to tell you this is easy, and I'm definitely not selling you a course. What I'm going to do is to show you 5 skills that work whether you are in Lagos, Mumbai, New York, or Sao Paulo. Skills that turn your time into money fast when you need it most. Here is how this works. I'm ranking these from easiest to start but lowest pay to hardest to learn but highest any potential. And by the way, the skill that most people think is number 1 is actually number 3. You'll see why in a minute. If you are still watching, comment I'm in right now. Let's see who is actually serious about this. Alright, let's start with number 5. Number 5 is AI content repurposing. And before you roll your eyes, this is the fastest way to make your first $500. Right now, every creator, every business, every coach is drowning in content. They are recording podcasts, going live, posting YouTube videos, but they don't have time to turn that into short form clips for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. That is where you come in. Tools like Opus Clip, Descript, and CapCut do 80% of the work. Your job isn't to be a professional editor. Your job is to understand what 10 seconds of 60-minute podcast will make someone stop scrolling. You are not an editor, you are a attention translator. Let me tell you about Amara. She's 22, living in Ghana, working at a bank, making $300 a month. She spent one weekend learning CapCut. The next Monday, she messaged 3 podcasters on Instagram. Hey, I repurposed 3 of your episodes into clips for free. If you like them, let's talk. 2 ignored her. 1 replied in 20 minutes. 2 weeks later, that podcaster paid her $300 to repurpose 1 episode. 1 month later, she had 4 clients paying her $500 each. That is $2,000 a month. She quit the bank 3 months later. Here is your move. Pick 3 creators you follow, repurpose their content for free, send it to them. 1 will say yes. Now, content repurposing can make you $2,000 a month, but there is 1 skill on this list that can make you $2,000 in a single week once you are good at it. I tell you which one in a minute, but first, skill number 4. Skill number 4 is code email copywriting, and this one slept on because most people think it's just writing emails. It's not. Every business needs customers, and one of the fastest ways to get customers is cold outreach. But most business owners suck at writing cold emails. Their emails are boring, generic, they got ignored. If you can write cold emails that actually get responses, you can charge $500 to $2,000 per campaign. Here is the secret. Cold emails aren't about you, they are about them. Actually, let me show you a real cold email that made $12,000. Subject line: quick question about your podcast. Body: hey Sarah, I noticed your podcast has 50 episodes but only 2,000 followers. I help another podcast in your niche go from 3K to 15K in day 90s using a simple content strategy. Want me to send over what worked? See that? No hype. No, I am amazing. Just curiosity and proof. I have paid copywriters $1,000 to $5,000 just to write email sequences. Every agency, every SaaS company, every coach needs this. To start, pick 5 businesses you admire. Write 3 cold emails for each. Put them in a Google Doc. That is your portfolio. Then, reach out to 20 businesses. I wrote 3 cold email templates for your business. Want to send them? 5 will respond, 2 will hire you. Cold email is powerful, but if I needed $5,000 in the next 30 days, I choose skill number 2. Here is why. But first, Number three is no-code website building, and this is where things get interesting. Every business needs a website, but most small businesses are either paying $5,000 to $10,000 for a custom site or using some terrible templates from 2010. You can build them a professional website in a weekend using Freeman, Ready.ai, Webflow, Hostinger, or Wix and charge $1,000 to $3,000 per site. Here is what people get wrong. They think web design is about coding. It's not. It's about understanding what the business needs. A restaurant needs a menu, location, and online ordering button. A consultant needs a clear offer, testimonials, and a booking link. Tools like Ready.ai can generate entire website for you. Your job is to customize it and make sure it helps them make money. Let me tell you about David, 19 years old from Nairobi, Kenya, working at a call center making $200 a month. Couldn't afford university. He spent 2 weeks learning Ready.ai every night after work, 11 p.m. to 2 a.m., grinding tutorials. His friends told him he was wasting his time. With theory, he printed screenshots of 5 websites he built. Fake businesses. Didn't matter. He could stay at the call center, save and broke, or walk into real businesses and pitch. He walked into a barbershop, showed the owner his current site, showed his mock-up. The owner said, "How much?" David's hands were shaking. $800. The owner pulled out cash, gave him half that day. That was 8 months ago. David now makes $4,000 a month, quit the call center, never wrote a line of code. He told me the day he got the first payment, he called his mom and cried, not because of the money, but because someone believed in him. That's what skills do. They don't just make you money, they make you believe you can do hard things. Your move: spend 1 week learning Framer, Ready.ai, build theory sample size, walk into local businesses or reach out online. Offer to rebuild their site for $500 to start. 3 clients, 3 testimonials, raise to $1,500, then $3,000. Wow, website building is solid, but if you want to get paid more for doing less, you need skill number 2. Okay, stop. Before I show you skill number 2, I need to tell you something nobody talks about. You can learn all 5 of these skills, but if you don't understand the one psychological trigger that makes clients say yes in the first conversation, you will struggle for months. I'm going to review that trigger when we get to skill number 1. It's the same one that made me $47,000 in my first 90 days, so don't skip ahead. But first, skill number 2. Skill number 2 is AI automation consulting, and this is the future. Right now, businesses are doing the same repetitive tasks every day, responding to emails, scheduling appointments, following up with leads, updating spreadsheets. All of that can be automated with AI. And businesses will pay you $2,000 to $5,000 per month to set it up. Here is the thing: you don't need to be a programmer, you just need to connect tools. Tools like Make.com, Zapier, and N8N let you build automations with drag and drop. For example, someone fills out a form on a business website, then it books them on the calendar, then it sends a reminder text. All automatic, no human involved. I have a friend who built an automation for a real estate agent. Every time someone inquired about a property, an AI called them within 60 seconds, asked qualifying questions, and booked a showing. That automation made the agent an extra $50,000 in commissions in 3 months. My friend charged $3,000 to build it, now charges $500 a month to maintain it. To start, pick one business type: real estate, consultants, e-commerce. Learn their biggest pain points, learn how to automate one workflow, build it for free for one business, get the testimonials, charge the next one $1,000, then $2,000. Best part, once you build it once, you can sell the same automation to 10 other businesses in that industry. AI automation is powerful, but if you want the skill with the highest calling, the one that can take you from survivor to actually building wealth, you need number 1. Skill number 1 is high ticket sales, and this is the skill that changes everything. Every business that sells something, coaching, consulting, enterprise software needs salespeople, and they pay you 10% to 20% commission on every deal you close. Close a $10,000 deal, you make $1,000 to $2,000. Close 5 in a month, that is $5,000 to $10,000. Here is what people don't understand about sales. It's not about being pushing, it's about listening. Your job is to understand what the people want, what's stopping them, and then showing them how your product solves that. The best salespeople ask more questions than they answer. Past salesperson, our coaching program is $5,000. You should buy it. Why good salesperson? What is the biggest challenge you are facing right now? How long have you been dealing with that? What have you tried? If you could fix this in 90 days, what would that be worth to you? See the difference. Let me tell you about Marcus, 23 from South Africa. Call center, $800 a month. Hated his life. He applied to 30 remote sales job. Got rejected by 28. 2 gave him a shot. Commission only. No base salary. His friends said he was crazy. Stay at that call center. Save and miserable. Or bet on himself. He took the sales job. First 2 weeks, 0 sales. Week 3, first deal, $10,000 contract. Made $1,500 in commission. 6 months later, $15,000 a month. He quit the call center, moved to Cape Town, works from a coffee shop. He told me the day he closed the first deal, he cried in his car, not because of the money, because he finally believed in himself. That is what sales does. It doesn't just make you money, it makes you believe you can do hard things. Now, some of you are thinking, I am not good at talking to people. I could never do sales. Here is the truth. Sales isn't about being extroverted. It's about being curious. If you can ask questions and actually listen, you can sell. Here is how you start. Go on LinkedIn or Indeed. Search remote sales rep or commission-based sales. Apply to 20 companies. Tell them you are hungry, coachable, and willing to work on commission. Most will ignore you. 2 or 3 will give you a shot. Then it's just reps. Get on calls. Learn the script. Ask questions, close the deals. The more calls you take, the better you get. And the better you get, the more you make. So those are the 5 skills. But here is the part that separates people who make money from people who just watch videos. Remember I said I tell you the one psychological trigger that makes clients say yes. Here it is, specificity. When you reach out to a client, don't say I can help your business. Say I can turn your 60-minute podcast into 5 short form clips that will get you 50,000 more views in 30 days. Don't say I build websites. Say I can rebuild your website in 72 hours and add a booking system that will get you 10 more clients this month. Specificity removes doubt. Vague promises get ignored. Specific outcomes get paid. That is the trigger. That is what made me for $7,000 in my first 90 days. I got specific. Now, here is what you need to do next. We covered AI content repurposing, code email copywriting, no-code website building, AI automation, and high-ticket sales. Here is the truth. Most people watching this won't do anything. They nod along, then go back to scrolling. But if you are one of the few who picks one skill, learn it and reach out to 20 potential clients this week, your life will look completely different 30 days from now. And remember I said I tell you which skill made me the most money in my first year. It wasn't number 1. It was number 3, web design, because I could charge $2,000 per site and build it in a weekend. But here is the thing, you can have the skill, but if you don't know 3-sentence message that makes businesses say yes in 24 hours, you will waste weeks getting ignored. I broke down the exact message, word for word, in this video right there. It's the same one that got me my first $3,000 client in 48 hours. 12 of my students use it to land their first clients in under a week. Watch that next, because the skill is only half the battle. The message is what gets you paid. Before you go, which skills are you going to start with? Comment the number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And if you are actually going to take action this week, comment I'm in plus the number. Let's see who is serious. I'm going to reply to as many as I can. I see you in the next video. What's going to be? Don't thank me. And you welcome.